Okay, continue with the checking. Number 6, what does gauge mean? Gauge, this word, if you know, it means measure. Alright, now if you don't know, okay, for this kind of question, you can work by substitution. The substitution method, you can try if you are not sure about the meaning of the word. Number 7, an expression in paragraph 8 that the writer uses to describe how the team initially encountered a lack of enthusiasm. Okay. Met with shrugs. Shrugs means you when you raise your shoulders and drop down your shoulders to show that you don't care about something or you don't know about something, then shrugs. Okay, met with shrugs. So it is also kind of metaphor. Okay, figurative language. All right. Number 8. According to paragraph 10, why does Rice Products team want to move to a bigger place? Okay. Now this one, you can go to line. Let me see, 30 to 31. Let me read it first. Yeah, the price will drop. The partners say, when they raise more money, move to a bigger place and automate the process. Okay, now this one you cannot just directly write this sentence down. Okay, instead you need to change the subject of your answer to back to rice products. Okay, because in that particular sentence that we highlighted, you cannot see the subject rice products team, but you sort of know is all about rice products team. So first you you want to start your answers with they or the team. The team plans to move to a bigger place so that they can automate the production process. Okay? And then thereby lowering the price of production or the cost of production. Okay, so a complete answer looks like this. You have all the keywords from the cue here, from the textual evidence in the passage. All right, but then you need to think of ways to change a little bit the subject of your answer. Okay, back to what I mean, you need to change or paraphrase your answers in a way that contains all the keywords and addresses or targets the questions specifically. All right, if you just copy, then it's not specific enough. So you're not trying to answer the question directly. Okay, number 9. Again, it's a harder question. Okay, how would rice products benefit from Osteria, okay, Franciscana's use of its rice flour? Now, it is this one is a famous restaurant, am I right? So you can see line, we know from lines 37 to 38, you know, it is top spot on the world's 50 best restaurants list. Okay, so how would this benefit? I mean, rice products benefit from the use of flowers by a very famous restaurant. Okay, so you need to make the linkage here. You need to infer the answer. So here is a question of inference. There's no direct answer. Okay, but you can get the clues, okay, from the passage and make the link yourself. Now the link here is, now let me write down first. Since, okay, I don't want to copy too much, okay, OF is, of course, in the exam you cannot write like this. It's famous restaurant, or it's top restaurant, okay, is use of flour would help promote the flour. Okay, so this part is the inferred answer part. Okay, so of course you can have other possible answers. Okay, but the main point is you cannot get the direct answer from the passage itself. Okay, you need to think of the answer, or in other words, infer the answers. Okay. Number 10, paragraph 12. Impulsively. Number 11. Rice flowers is just a conversation. That means it's not something that is worth discussing further. Rice flour costs too much or too expensive to be used in the cooking class. Okay. Number 12. Now again, it's implied. Okay. So you go back to that line or to that paragraph and try to work it out. Okay, actually gluten is linked to, you know, the rising of products, bakery products. 13. 12, a factor of 12, 2 times, twice, or because it's not it doesn't really specify one word or two, so actually you can use 2 times. Number 3 here, carbohydrates. Number 4. Okay. Or you can directly say biscuits or bread. Alright?